Hey guys, what's up? And today we got two breaking, and with that we also got our first official look at the new lilac purple color. I actually googled how to pronounce this word. It's actually the first time I ever saw this name, but anyways, this is the new color debuting for the first time with the Galaxy S9. It's surely going to be the one which I will be getting because this is a new color and it will set the S9 apart from all the other colors that we have seen before. So now Samsung, they listened to the customers and they have fixed it. Also, we got the flash and heart rate scanner on the sides. The buttons are also the same, so we have the Bixby key right below the volume rocker, which could end up being a customizable user-defined key. Samsung is actually taking some surveys asking people what this button's ultimate function should be. I talked about it in detail in my last video, but yeah, the key is still here below the volume rocker, and also the power key can be seen on the right. I told you guys multiple times in my videos that S9 will be coming in a purple color. A couple of months ago, I collaborated with SamsungMobile.news and we made these purple Galaxy S9 renders, and fast forward to the official teasers, the number 9 they used was in purple color and the wallpaper on this official render was also purple. So all of this pointed to this lilac purple color that we're seeing right now, and with this, for the first time, we're seeing the official back renders as well. So it's confirmed that the Galaxy S9 is coming with only one camera sensor, and the S9 Plus is coming with dual cameras. So the fingerprint scanner sits comfortably below the camera. There's actually a little bit of space in between to separate it from the camera, stopping you from smudging it. News. One of them will get you off guard, I'm damn sure about it. It's 3 in the morning, but this is a major news, guys. Finally, we got our first ever official back renders of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus thanks to the main man Ev Leaks, Infinity design of the Galaxy S8 with the S9 family, because they are working some big things with the Galaxy 10. So yeah guys, this could be our lost Galaxy S phone. Another reason behind this is that they want to make things simple. If they keep the current naming scheme, it will be like Galaxy S11, S12, S13 in the future, and it's gonna get a bit confusing. So that's why it's gonna be called as Galaxy 10. Yes, you heard me right. The huge rumor coming out of China says that Samsung is considering changing the naming scheme of its flagship lineup after so many years. I mean, from S1 to S9, no skipping at all. It's been full 9 phones, unlike the Galaxy Note series where they skipped the Note 6 because of bad luck. Other colors for the Galaxy S9 family consist of midnight black, titanium gray, and coral blue. So at launch there will be 4 colors, and he also mentioned that there will be special / limited edition as well in the future. So there you have it guys, the Galaxy S9 in its full glory, and apparently this might be the lost Galaxy S series phone. Wait, what? And the Note 7 missed them. But yeah, sources from South Korea claim that the Galaxy S9 flagship that will be launched this year will be the last one to wear the Galaxy S brand. It's time to say goodbye to the letter S. The 10th anniversary Galaxy flagship that will get released in 2019 will be called as Galaxy. Looking at the front, well, it's mainly unchanged, but the bottom bezel is slightly thinner. We talked about the proof of it in the last video. The top is slightly thinner as well. It's just the side of the phone which has got a little bit thicker and with the letter X in it. Yes, it's the same name that is rumored for the foldable phone, but seems like it will get used for the 10th anniversary Galaxy 10. That phone will reach the absolute pinnacle of Samsung's innovation with a full 100% screen to body ratio with the help of holes in display. We actually have a full detailed video on this, how Samsung will achieve this. It's the main reason why Samsung stick with the pretty much same, just simply Galaxy 10, and yes, it does seem like it's inspired from Apple, but I feel like it's the right move. Anyway guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. This was definitely a news that you and I were not expecting to see. But yeah, this is something for the better. I feel like it's gonna be a better move on Samsung's part, but let me know your thoughts and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.